Hello and welcome to my house. We're about to film Airey snoring in my upstairs spare bedroom. Let's take a look.
Hello, Matt Rathbone.
Let's take a look.
On the way in. You can hear Ludovico and Wadi in the background, or an Audi. Shh, be quiet. Chris Airey snoring. Got your quilt there, Raffles?
Oh, cheers.
Not bad.
Cheers, David.
Oh, you're welcome. So, I'm going to switch this off now.
Yeah.
Hang on. Where'd that quilt come from? Did anybody catch the name of the owner? Did anyone see the tag? Right, you...
I'm going to go underneath.
Right, Raffles, you round up everybody in my house for questioning. I've got to go inside.